guys, welcome to Army Inspire Studios. I'm Army's digital twin and personal assistant.
Today I shall be showing you how Army generated this miniature videos that is going viral.
I'm an African queen, showcasing my African heritage.
So, if you're ready, let's go to class for the tutorials and the step-by-step guide.
To create our miniature video, we have to get our prompts ready. I already have a prompt I've made. So I will go to my notebook where I saved my prompts. I'll go to my notebook where I saved my prompt and get it ready. So this is my miniature prompt I earlier made. So all I have to do is to copy it. So I copied my prompt, head over to Grok again, choose any of the avatars I want to use, okay, but not for now. So what I have to do now is to go to create video. All right, so you go to this interface, you slide over depending on the device you're using. If you're using a laptop or a phone. So for now I'm using my phone for these tutorials. So you can see where it says create videos. So I'll tap on create video. Then I have to upload my image. I have to upload my prompt rather. You see where it says type to. No, we are going to click on imagine rather. So when you copy your prompt, you click on imagine and it will show you where to. You click on image, right? And to ask you to type to make image. So inside the box, you click your prompt. You put in your prompt. So I'm pasting my prompt right there. All right. So my prompt says a Black African person's hands hold steady, cradling a miniature coastal village perched on cliffs above churning oceans waves that splash onto motionless palms that carries goats, dogs, wind, torsos, palm trees, firewood as sunlight glimmers on water cascading over fingers and all of that. So there's something I need to put in here. Water cascading over the fingers. A young African woman is sitting right in the middle. In the middle of the hands containing the hands containing the other images, comma, the camera, blah 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 blah. So we click on generate to see what Grok is going to give us, the image you are going to have. So our images are generated. You can see our images are generated. So you choose out of Grok has the privilege of giving you as many images as possible. Then you have to make your choices. You have to make your choices. So having generated this now, what we'll go is we hit on video. So we click on the one you want to use. Let's go with this one here for it to come up. The images are many, you just have to make your choice. I think I should change my mic. Let me click on this. So let's go with this image here. Now we are going to turn this image to a video. So you may have your script of what you actually wanted out of these images, right? Or you just want to make it move, or so you think outside the box. It might not just be exactly what I did, so prompt it to whatever you want it to say or what you want it to do. Okay, so we click on make video. Now it should give us the option of customizing it. Customizing means prompting. What do you want this image to do? So let's say that make the woman in the image talk make the woman in the image be, get bigger as she speaks. Let's put it this way: gets bigger as she talks, saying what you want the image to say must always be in quotes, right? So you open it and now put what you want the image to say, saying um what do we want it to say now? An African queen. I'm an African queen. I'm an African queen. I am an African queen. An African queen. Showcasing my African heritage. Showcasing my African heritage. This is what the woman will say. The woman in the image, this is what you say. You close the quotation mark, you close it. All right, now what other things do you want to see in the image? So I will say make the houses move up and down, move up and down, and the animals too, making their noises, making their various sounds, making their various sounds. So let's generate and see. Remember, you are the one prompting the AI. Most times you prompt one thing and the AI might give you another thing. It's not 100% accurate, but you stand the chance of reprompting. All right, you can always reprompt until you get what you want. Don't take less than what you wanted. So you give it time to generate. Our video is generated. Let's see what we have.
I'm an African queen showcasing my African heritage.
So we have to reprompt to make sure that the image is speaking. All right, so I have to reprompt it and say make sure that the image talks and the mouth syncs with what she's saying. So let us reprompt in and see what we are going to get. So you have to make use of your senses. I will not do everything for you. You think outside the box. Okay, what else do I want this image to say? So let's go back and say, so I'm going to remove what I wanted, what she said before, and put another thing. I'm proud. I'm proud of my soul, the resources, the ecosystem, the ecosystem. I'm proud of my soil, the resources, the resources, animals, the ecosystem. So I also so make the houses move up and down, and the animals too, making their various sound. The woman's mouth sync with what she says. There's something else I want to see here. I want the water to flow very well, so I have to include it in the prompt. So I have to put it in the prompt. The houses move up and down, comma, the water flowing with sounds, and the animals too. So let's see what it will give us.
I'm proud of my soil, the resources, animals, the
Beautiful. You can see that this is beautiful. So you can prompt and get different things that you want to see. It might not just be this what I have just done. You can use these methods depending on your prompt, to create different miniature videos, and they are going viral. So see you on my next video. Make sure you click on the subscribe button. Follow me for more. Share this video to others that want to create something like this.
Oh, interesting class, right? So hit the subscribe button now, like and share.